Understanding deployment in the SDLC.
Deployment is a key phase in the software development lifecycle, or SDLC. Once code is completed and tested, deployment is the process that makes the software accessible to users. This stage bridges the gap between development and real-world use, ensuring that the software moves from internal testing to a live environment.
Deployment preparation, setting the stage.
Before deployment, teams double-check that everything runs smoothly. This includes final testing, bug fixes, and setting up infrastructure like servers or cloud services. Teams also prepare detailed deployment plans to minimize risks and ensure a smooth transition from development to production.
Automation and tools in deployment.
Modern deployment often uses automation tools, such as continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. These tools help streamline the process, reduce human error, and allow for faster, more reliable releases. Automation ensures consistent delivery, making updates and new features easier to roll out.
Going live. What happens during deployment?
Deployment involves moving the finished code to production systems where users can access it. This may include database migrations, system updates, or configuration changes. Teams closely monitor performance during this stage, watching for any issues so they can act quickly if something goes wrong.
Post-deployment, ensuring success.
After deployment, teams continue monitoring to catch any problems early. They gather user feedback, track system health, and may deploy quick updates to fix bugs. This ongoing support is vital to ensure the software remains reliable, secure, and meets user needs after going live.